I think I do like that. Okay. So, hey y'all, welcome to Lala Land. If you're new here, I'm Lala. And if you're a returner, welcome back to the channel. First of all, y'all already know what I'm gonna say. Have you subscribed? I'll wait. And I got time today, so I'll wait. Yeah, okay. Now that you're subscribed, I have something so special for y'all. I'm so excited. So today I am partnering with Shenanigans Hairtique, and they have sent me over a whole bunch of their goodies, and I'm just so excited to unbox it for y'all. So first off in the box, we have the business cards and the thank you cards. First, we're gonna start with the products that are to assist you with laying your wig. First, we have hair ties for your edges. Let me see. This is so cute, y'all. Yes, okay. So this is for your edges when you're just trying to lay down your wig like that. And it says that it has their logo on it, Shenanigans Hairtique. All right, next up we have the Shenanigans Hairtique Hold Me Down Mousse, #1 slick down mousse, and it has the ingredients. The ingredients are really simple. I love the black and gold packaging. I love that. Oh, this is so cute, the gold top. Oh my gosh, this is very cute. I'm about to squirt some out just to see how it smells. I love seeing how stuff smells, so let's see. Ooh. And it smells good, y'all. It has that like clean, like soap or I just did laundry smell. I love that smell. It's very cute. I'm about to put some on my hair now. Let's put that like that. Next, we have the Shenanigans Hairtique 24-hour hold hair wax stick, anti-frizz for all hair types. Okay. Now, usually if I'm using a wax stick, I use it on my flyaways for my wigs and stuff like that. So that's probably what I'm gonna use it for. Oh, this smells good too, y'all. But I guess I've seen some people use it on their like natural hair for their slick back. So that's something else. Now I'm gonna put all that back and let's get into some more. Okay, they also sent me some natural hair products. Got that out. Okay, y'all know that smell good because I had to stop and smell it. Okay, so I have the Shenanigans Hairtique moisturizing shampoo. The ingredients are castor soap, glycerin, peppermint, apricot kernel, and castor oil. I've never heard of apricot kernel, but I'm gonna look up the benefits and I might put them on the screen or something. So get into that. And I love how everything is bubble wrapped to make sure nothing breaks. Okay, next up we have the Shenanigans Hairtique Mo Edges Please. I like how they said Mo edges because that's exactly how it said. The ingredients are fresh rosemary, Jamaican black castor oil, and fresh peppermint. All of those are known hair growth properties. So, and it looks like it comes in this little roller, like the old school lip gloss or like the you know, the smell good oils that you get from the hair store. I love this easy applicator. Ooh, and that definitely smells good. I think I just love the smell of hair products. Let's get into this next one, the last and final item. Last but certainly not least, we have the Shenanigans Hairtique leave-in conditioner. Ingredients include shea butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil. And all of these are things that I already use in my hair. So I'm very excited to see how this plays out with me and my curls. Let's go ahead and open it up. Y'all already know I'm gonna see how it smells. Smell not my favorite with this one, but I love the texture. I love that texture, y'all. It's literally melting into my skin. I love that. All right, so I am gonna make a few videos using these products. Follow my TikTok, follow my Instagram. I'm probably gonna post it on there. I may post it on here, I don't know. How I style these products, how I use these products. So, but definitely follow me on TikTok and Instagram if y'all wanna see, you know. Shout out to Shenanigans Hairtique for sending me over these items. I'm just so excited to try them out. Thank y'all. And I'm gonna have my discount code right here and in the description box. Please be sure to shop with them. Support a small black owned business, woman owned business at that. Okay, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video you want to see me do next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you're notified every single time. And yes, I do mean every single time I post a new video. Until next time. Oh, and all right, so until next time, keep it cute.